Today I am going to discuss about property observers in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about property observers in Swift. What is property observer? Property observers observe and respond. Property observer observe and respond to change in the value in the property value. To change in the property value. Property observers are called every time property value is set. Property observers are called every time property value is set. Even if the new value is the same as the property current value. You have both options observe on a property observer. Both options. Will set. What is will set? Will set is called just before the value stored. Just before the value set is called will set, and did set is called immediately after the new value stored. Immediately after the new value. So immediately after the new value stored is called did set. So we can create an example. We can consider this property observer. Suppose struct student, which have a student, and student is a name, var first name, first name and last name. We can compute first name and last name. First name and which is type of string, and var last name which is type of string. We can create a stored computed property. We use will set and did set. So var full name which is type of string, and we can use will set. First will set. Will set is a new value. Will set is calling of is called before value stored. So this is a new full name. New full name, and we can print. We can use print statement. What is new full name? What is new full name? And we can another use of did set. Did set is a new value and old value. Print new full name, old value, comma full name. This is a full name, and old value and full name. What is old value and what is full name? Old value is computed property. So we can create a object. We can create a use var student equal to student. We can access the initialized computed property are not a computed property. This is a initialized stored property. We can first full name is hello, and last name is Swift. We can full name hello Swift. So hello Swift, we can run. Student dot full name. We can set its full name equal to Apple developer. We can run. We say Apple developer is new value, set is new value, will set is firstly call is will set. And we can old value is hello Swift. We can new value is Apple developer. We can first value is new value is set is Apple developer, and old value is hello Swift, and full name is Apple developer. And check this. So will set is new value and old value. We can call will set before value stored, and we can call did set after new value stored. After new value stored, we can achieve after new value, and we can achieve after value. We can achieve new value and old value. Say two value. We can set new value. So this is a print statement. We can use one value is did set use, and this is a did set. So old value, and we can condition apply if statement old value equal to new value is full name. New value is the full name, is the same. So we can print statement already same value, already same. Otherwise else we can create a print statement are not same. So we can run are not same. From are not same, this is the old value, and from new value full name. We can run are not same hello shift from new Apple developer. New value VLUE, new value. We can run are not same hello set from new value Apple developer. We can execute this set. We can achieve old value and new value, and we can another condition is are the same hello and shift. We can condition is true, already same value, already same value. So we can use did set, and we can choose will set. We can new full name. We can achieve new full name, and we can create a condition. If condition new full name equal to full name print, we can use print statement, print same name same, otherwise else not same. We can run same, this is the value is same. Will set is new value, and will set is new value, and this is full name is old value, and full name value is stored property. So we can two observers use will set and did set. Will set is called just before stored prop value stored, and did set is just immediately after the new value stored. After the we can achieve with did set is new value and old value. Will set is achieve new value, and we can call after stored value. So we can use of, we can change the hello are not same value. Thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy observers use of our code, and thank you for watching this video.